Hi, this is Raja Ketkar. Welcome to 7 Rounds Infotainment channel. In today's episode, we are going to see how to start Android Auto on your car's infotainment system using a standard USB cable and your Android phone. So first we need to install Android Auto on your phone. So I go to Play Store. In the search, I select Android Auto. This is what you need to install. Android Auto and vehicles. So I click here. If it is not installed, then you would be seeing an install button over here. If it is already installed, you may see the update button. So let me click on the update button. So this means that Android Auto was already installed on my phone, but since it is an old version, I need to update it to the latest version. So the updation is almost done. In the meantime, let us see the type of cable that we are using to connect it to the car system. So this is the standard USB cable. Okay, the other end being like this. Okay, yeah, so Android Auto installation is completed, updation is completed. Now let us connect it to the car system. In this car, if you see, I'm having the C-type connector. Okay, there are two C-type ports over here. So the problem that I would be facing is this type of cable I cannot insert it over here. Okay, because see, this end would be entering my phone, but this port there is no direct connection to it. Hence I'll need one converter which is micro USB. Okay, just have a look, micro USB to C type. I connect it over here, then I connect the cable. And the other end I just insert it in my phone. Okay, once I connect the cable, it shows a notification what should the Android Auto be doing. So first it tells me turn on the Bluetooth, pair and sync your contacts, blah blah blah. Fine, anyways, let us click on the next button. It is asking me to turn on the location settings. I click OK. It says continue setup on your car screen. That means Android Auto is completed. Now on my screen of the car infotainment system, I see a welcome message, welcome to Android Auto. If you see at the bottom, my phone is already connected to the cable, and on the screen I click on OK. Over here I get to see all those apps which are supported on Android Auto. So let's, as an example, you can use any of these. I'm clicking on maps. On the maps, let's assume that, see, right now I'm in Mulund, and suppose I wish to go to Pune. I click on the Pune location. It is showing me the direction, and the Google map is now available on your car's infotainment system. Just like the maps, you can also use other apps which are Android Auto enabled. For this, one very important thing which you need to check is the USB to C type converter, which you're currently seeing here. This is the converter. Let me just make it clear for you. Okay, so this is USB micro USB type 2.0 to C type. This converter, you can find it on any of the e-commerce websites like Amazon or Flipkart or Snapdeal, or see, I'm not promoting any of the websites over here, but you can also purchase it offline at any of the mobile accessories shop. This usually comes at around 80 to 100 rupees, and for connecting an Android with the USB port, you will need this converter. Thank you. So what did we learn today? How to connect an Android phone to your car's infotainment system using a typical micro USB cable. One point to highlight over here, it is also possible to connect your Android phone to the system, the car infotainment system, using Bluetooth, which we shall be seeing in some other video. If you like this video, do click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.